Okay, so what we got here is the BMW M8 Competition 2023, installed with the Ghost 2 Immobilizer system. So the way the Ghost 2 works is if you do not enter your code when you get in the vehicle, as you can see, the car will keep cutting out because every time I try to drive it, it will cut out. So what you gotta do, get in the vehicle, turn it on, enter your code, 2 indicator flashes, and now when you put it into gear, as you can see, it does not stall out. So when the Ghost 2 installed to protect you from being stolen, give us a shout. See the link down below. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.